Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome to the e-classes now. Let us continue our lesson in our English. We are doing Reach for the Top, lesson 8 and part 2, Maria Sharapova. Let us see how hard she worked to achieve her success or achieve her goal. Now, Maria Sharapova, in our previous class, we have learned what the story is all about. Now today we will do the journey to number 1 and her sacrifice. Let us go through this. There are altogether 7-8 points I have written over here. We'll talk one by one and learn. Pay attention and listen carefully. Her journey started from the plains of Siberia, that is in Russia, a place where most of the time it snows, it is covered with snow, and very hardly anything grows there. Practically 8-9 months of the year it is covered with snow. So the life over there is very tough. So her journey started from the plains of Siberia, the coldest part of the Russian country, Russia. Number 2, her competitive world began before she attained the age of 9. When she was very young, not even 9 years old, her competitive world began from there. She came from nothing and had nothing. Since she lived in a very cold place, she had nothing. Means she had not learnt anything. She had nothing and she came from nothing. So this made her hungry, that she wanted to adapt, she wanted to learn something and become someone else in future. So this made her hungry and determined. So due to her mental toughness, from the very young age, she had to leave her homeland and she had to go to America as her father worked there. So due to her mental toughness, she bagged the ladies' single crown at Wimbledon in the year 2004. So in 2004, she bagged the reward in the women's single tennis, Wimbledon. So how that happened? At a very young age, she mastered the game of tennis. In August 2005, just next year, 2004, she bagged the ladies' single crown at Wimbledon in the year 2004, and in 2005, in August 2005, she became the world's #1 women tennis star. You see that? Due to her hard work and the ability to maintain her time and energy, to spend her time and energy wisely. Number 5, she had highly competitive desire, because she came from nothing and she had nothing. This made her hungry, very hungry to learn something. She had highly competitive desire since her age of 9. When she was at the age of 9, she had not learned anything and she wanted to learn something. So this made her very hungry and very competitive desire. Maria went to USA, she went to America, United States of America, when she had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday. She had not celebrated her 10th birthday. She went to America with her father. Unfortunately, her mother could not come along with her. So she went there for training. Her father definitely helped her. Her father knew that if Maria stays in Siberia, she cannot do anything. She will live like any ordinary person and she will die like any ordinary person. Her father wanted her to work hard and become someone, and she went along with her father there for training in America. And in Florida, she had to train herself there. Her training was there in Florida. There was a training institute. In Florida, she felt very lonely. She had to stay in the hostel. Her father could not come to meet her because he was too busy to earn money to pay for her training. Even her mother was far away in Russia, Siberia. In Florida, she felt very lonely. When she had not celebrated her 10th birthday, she was 9 years old. She felt very lonely, very, very young age. She missed her mother greatly. She missed her mother greatly. So, number 7, now here you can't see. Number 7, her mother could not go with her. Her mother could not go along with her. Why? Because due to visa restrictions, she did not got the visa. So due to visa restrictions, her mother stayed back in Siberia. So only Maria Sharapova and her father went to America for her training, and her father worked there. Her father also could not see her. So she was admitted in the hostel and her father could not see her very often. He used to go early in the morning to work and he used to come late at night. So he had no time to visit her. So her father also could not see her as he was too busy to earn to pay for her training. So that's why she felt very, very lonely there in America when she was training in Florida. So you can see there from the very young age she had to work so hard, and that too alone. There was nobody to look after her. She had to maintain herself all by herself, look after herself, and she felt very, very lonely. So her competitive world began before she attained the age of 9 and had not celebrated her 10th birthday. So that was really something pitiful. But later on, it had paid. This training and her sacrifice paid rich rewards. So now, to be continued, in our next class we'll talk about her hard work. How hard she used to work. So ultimately her hard work really definitely pays. So this much for today. In our next class we'll talk about her hard work. So then we'll proceed further. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching so attentively and being present in the class for the English class. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll learn about her hard work. So go through the book as well at home. Do the reading. You need to have the reading at home. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.